Are you getting the same error? Cannot copy items. So first of all, you have to locate your files which you want to copy. So here I want to copy my zip file to my phone. This is the internal storage of phone, and this is the file DCIM that I want to copy. It is 7.24 GBs. So basically we got error in zip files. So basically I tried to copy it and paste it directly, but it is showing the same error. Now I will show you what you have to do to fix this. First of all, go to the file location. Here you have to create a new folder. Any folder, you can name it anything. Now simply copy or cut this zip file or respected file to this folder. As soon as you paste it here, now simply click on the folder. Now copy it and paste it to your respected device. So here you have to click yes. So boom. So this is finally working. Thank you for watching.